Good evening, everyone. So, I, Hansa Parashar, have brought to you the psychology of lying. Lying is a form of behavior which begins from self preservation, self protection to self destruction and destruction of the relationships. So, why do people lie? Lying has got various reasons. There are various factors because of which people lie. First of all, they lack empathy. They don't care about other people's feelings, emotions, even if the other person is going to be devastated because he or she has been lied upon or cheated upon. The person who is a liar is never going to think or feel or actually know what is the other person's situation, because they want to make themselves look attractive and positive in the public life. They always want to hide and cover their true personalities because they think that if they are going to reveal their truth, they are going to get caught in the act. Hence, in order to avoid getting caught in the act, they are going to escape from the situation, they are going to lie, and they are going to cheat upon the person who has bestowed his trust on that particular liar or a cheater. Secondly, people want to have their own personal gains. People lie because they have their own selfish interests. They want to achieve certain goals, they want to hurt somebody, and there can be n number of reasons because of which they have to achieve their personal goals. Thirdly, they lack moral maturity. It means that their upbringing or their social background, it is the one which actually rewards cheating on someone or lying to somebody. So whatever those people they have seen in their family background and in their life, they actually get rewarded for it, and after getting reinforced by it, they show the same behavior. Fourthly, they want to control the perception of other people. They want other people to look at them in a very positive light. They act as a chameleon. They are going to change their colors with every passing situation. Research studies have shown that compulsive liars, or the liars who lie on a daily basis, they are the ones whose prefrontal cortex, which is present in the brain, has 26% more white matter. Secondly, both men and women, they lie equally. Thirdly, most of the people, they are going to lie once or twice in a day. So, how does it affect a relationship? Lying, it can cause a person to believe that he or she is lying because it is going to benefit him in the long run. But unfortunately, it results in self-sabotage as well. Research findings have also shown that smaller lies, they get transformed into bigger lies because the person gets very motivated from small lies which are not getting caught, so that they can make bigger lies in the future. Thirdly, when you add in self-justification of the lies, you yourself start believing in your lies until unless you get forcibly caught that you have to sustain in a particular relationship. And at the end of it, you are the one who actually destroy that relationship because of your lying habit. How to avoid lying habit? Number one, try to make a conscious effort to say or speak the truth. Always be honest with your partner or your parents or your siblings, with whomsoever you want to have a relationship. Secondly, whenever you are trying to lie, always confess that why do you want to lie? Always tell the reason behind lying. This is going to actually help you and influence you in becoming a better person. Always make the habit of speaking the truth. Try to do self-pat. Try to be courageous and brave so that you can speak the truth. And as we all say, that lying is something which is very deep, innate in human nature, but so is the trustworthy, genuine relationship. So if you want to have a good bonding and if you want to have a fundamentally good relationship, try to speak the truth. Have a nice day, all of you. And if you like my content, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel Hansa Parashar. I will be highly obliged and humbled. And in the next week, I am going to come up with another video. Guys, there is a request that if you have any queries regarding the topic that I speak about on my YouTube channel, you can actually put your questions in the comment box, and I'm going to take up those questions and I will be answering them in my next YouTube channel video. And also do remember to press the bell icon and share my video as much as you can. And if you have any queries, you can always ask me. Also, if you want to have any counseling session and if you want to talk to me regarding your problems, you can directly contact me. Thank you so much, all of you. Have a nice evening.